written by the architect. You've been there since my birth, the only love I've ever known that was real. My pain gave you depth and power. Your power gave me strength. You were there for me. You had the angels pray for me. When the mental bonds of slavery destroyed my family, you saved me from self-destruction. When people I love betrayed me, you kept me from this world, left me bruised and battered. Having you was all I had. You were all that mattered. I lost family members to the pitfalls of time. You wouldn't let me lose my heart, even though I almost lost my mind. Became the streets, and still you were there for me. Good times, bad breaks, having to rest every word of my stress. You made sure my energy could not be destroyed, only transformed. Turn parental misstepping into redemption's blessings, and you were there for me. The birth of every Christian, third eye still open, you kept me focused. I buy you cards on Father's and Mother's Day. I know you'll never leave me. Believe me, I'll work on our relationship getting stronger, cause I need to hope years after I've died. On you can express the beauty I have inside. My proud black man stride, cause I know how much you love me. Poetry.